Hey everyone, welcome to my video on how to start an online business. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for getting started with your own online business. Whether you are looking to sell products or services, or create an online course, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. Part 1. Finding your niche. The first step in starting an online business is to find your niche. This means identifying a specific area where you can offer value to your customers. You might already have an idea for your niche, but if not, think about your skills, interests, and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you've identified your niche, you can start researching your target audience and figuring out what they want and need. Part 2. Setting up your website. Once you've identified your niche, you'll need to set up your website. This is where you'll showcase your products or services and connect with your customers. There are a lot of different website builders out there, but some of the most popular include Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress. When setting up your website, make sure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. You'll also want to make sure your website is optimized for search engines, so that people can find you online. Part 3. Creating your products or services. Now that you have your niche and your website, it's time to create your products or services. If you're selling physical products, you'll need to source materials, create prototypes, and figure out how you'll ship your products. If you are offering services, you'll need to determine your pricing, create a service agreement, and decide how you'll communicate with your clients. Make sure you have a solid understanding of your target audience, and that your products or services meet their needs. Part 4. Marketing your business. Once you have your website and products or services in place, it's time to start marketing your business. This includes creating social media accounts, running ads, and developing content marketing strategies. You'll also want to network with other business owners in your niche, and participate in online communities where your target audience hangs out. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing strategies, and track your results to see what's working best. Part 5. Building your email list. Building an email list is one of the most important things you can do for your online business. This allows you to stay in touch with your customers and promote your products or services on an ongoing basis. You can build your email list by offering a free resource, such as an ebook or a webinar, in exchange for people's email addresses. Make sure you are providing value to your email subscribers on a regular basis, and that you're not just sending them sales pitches. Conclusion. Starting an online business can seem overwhelming, but if you take it one step at a time, it's totally doable. Remember to focus on your niche, create a visually appealing website, offer products or services that meet your customers' needs, and market your business effectively. And don't forget to build your email list. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to building a successful online business. Thanks for watching.